In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and use sales funnels in Zoho CRM. If you want to streamline your sales process and better visualize your customer journey, then this video is just what you need. Let's get started with a step-by-step guide. To begin, navigate to the Zoho CRM homepage. This is your main dashboard and the starting point for setting up your sales funnels. Once there, find and click on the Setup option. This link will take you to a range of customization options for your CRM, allowing you to tailor the system to your specific needs. Next, locate and select Pipelines. Pipelines are essential as they allow you to manage different sales processes and track the progress of your deals. Within the Pipelines section, click on the option to create a new pipeline. This is where you set up the structure of your sales funnel. Give your pipeline a name that reflects its purpose, such as summer campaign or referral leads, something that will make it easy to identify at a glance. After naming your pipeline, choose an appropriate layout. The layout determines how your pipeline stages are visually represented, so select one that aligns with your workflow. Now it's time to add stages to your pipeline. Stages represent the key steps a deal progresses through from the initial lead to final closure. These might include stages like contacted, proposal sent, and negotiation. For each stage, you'll decide which specific stage to add based on your sales process. This customization allows you to track and manage deals actively. Once you've added and configured all your stages as desired, don't forget to save your pipeline changes. This will ensure your progress is not lost and your sales team can begin using the new setup effectively. Now, let's move on to Analytics. Head over to the Analytics section by clicking on it. Here you can gather insights into your sales process, and it's where we'll integrate the sales funnel. Click on Add Component. Adding a component enables you to visualize data in more meaningful ways. Select Funnel as the type of component. A funnel will visually represent how leads are converted into customers at each stage of your pipeline. After selecting the funnel, choose a style that best represents your data and matches your business branding or personal preference. Click on the funnel style you've chosen to proceed. You'll then be prompted to type in a name for this component. Choose something descriptive, such as quarterly sales funnel or conference lead funnel, to make it easily identifiable. Finally, make sure to save your funnel component. Saving locks in all the work you've put into customizing this element, making it visible and usable for reporting and analysis purposes. With these steps completed, you're all set up to use sales funnels in Zoho CRM. This will help you visualize and optimize your sales process, effectively driving better results for your business. Thanks for watching and happy selling!